In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in a table using Google Slides. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your presentations or simply trying to fit more information into a confined space, knowing how to rotate text can be a valuable skill. So let's dive into this 5-minute tutorial. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google Slides. Simply type in Google Slides into your search bar or go directly to the website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, just enter your credentials and get yourself access to all the functionalities Google Slides has to offer. Now that you're logged in, you should be on the home page of Google Slides. From here, you have the option to either start a new presentation or open an existing one. If you choose to create a new one, click on the blank option, or you can select from the various templates available if you're starting fresh. This is going to be the canvas where we perform our text rotation today. Once inside your presentation, it's time to insert a table. You can do this by navigating to the top menu bar and selecting Insert, then Table. Here you can specify the number of rows and columns you need. Imagine this table as a grid where you'll place your text. A table can help organize your content neatly, making it easier to manipulate text for professional results. Next, click on the cell where you'd like to add your text and type it in. This is a straightforward process, just like entering data into any spreadsheet or document. Make sure the text fits well within the cell, since that will give it a polished look after rotation. With your text in place, select the text you want to rotate by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. You can also use shortcut keys like Shift plus arrow keys for a seamless selection. It's essential for the text to be highlighted, ensuring that Google Slides knows exactly which text you want to rotate. Once selected, locate the Format option from the main toolbar. Here you'll find a text rotation option. Clicking on this will bring up several choices, such as rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise, or even custom rotation settings depending upon your needs. Choose the option that suits your purpose, and watch your text align itself in the perfect direction you want. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to rotate text within a table using Google Slides. This technique not only maximizes your layout space, but also contributes to a visually engaging presentation. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to practice this new skill in your next slideshow, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.